good, and you?
Bad.
Why?
Because there were not tickets for concert Miley Cyrus.
Why don't be friends because about not being able to go?
How come you like Miley Cyrus is more boring and sing songs?
You don't know what I need think about music.
Even Jonas Brothers sings better than she.
Stop fitting is a bar hates their life and you like each other no tolerate. As always.
I am not with that do not like Miley.
It is so no if you spend and no do not kill a beautiful friendship.
It rings we do not think more.
No, let's sit separate.